respected members of the staff and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. In today's morning assembly, we are here to celebrate the Defense Day of Pakistan because it is a day of immense pride, of immense honor. A day that reminds us of the courage and the sacrifices made by the brave soldiers of our nation. It gives us hope. It gives us strength. It gives us reassurance that Pakistan is a nation that shall last till doomsday. We begin today's proceedings with the holy name of Allah Almighty. For this I call Rubab Nemat to grace us with a few verses from the Holy Quran, followed by translation by Zainab Atam. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم ويمنعون الماعون صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the specially merciful. Have you seen the one who denies the judgment? That is the one who repulses the orphan and does not encourage the feeding of the poor. So woe to those who pray, yet are unmindful of their prayers, those who show off and refuse to give even the simplest aid. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ. Jazakallah. 6th September is an occasion to recall the tale of resilience, courage and sacrifices made by our armed forces. शहीदाने वफा के हौसले तो थे दाद के काबिल, शहीदाने वफा के हौसले तो थे दाद के काबिल, वहाँ पे शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पे सब्र मुश्किल था. I would like to call Vaniza to share a speech and shed light on this very important day. I am a soldier, my heart is in my land. I fight for life and freedom as I walk upon the sand. I do not walk unworthy, I do not stand alone. The angels travel with me as I fight for mine. Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Nations are made in crisis, and the defense of a nation is not strengthened by the weapons, but by the courage and chivalry of its people and its forces. Today, we are gathered here to pay tribute to our brave soldiers and to assure ourselves that Pakistan is created to last till the doomsday by the blessings of Allah Almighty. Dear fellows, September 6, 1965 was the day when our enemy tried to overpower this great nation but failed bitterly and licked the dust. Indian forces attacked Pakistan in dark, assuming that the whole country would be sleeping. They thought that Pakistan was going to be an easy victory, but they forgot which nation, which forces, and which people they were dealing with. Though our soldiers were not as equipped as Indian forces, but they had matchless courage to defeat their enemy then and there. Our great forces not only defended the land but taught the enemy an unforgettable lesson too. Our military heroes safeguarded the land heroically, leaving behind a hoard of stories for us to be proud of. This day is a tale of resilience, courage, and sacrifice made by the soldiers of Pakistan Army. Our great Air Force showed miracles to the world and set an extraordinary example. A legendary war hero, M.M. Alam's record of shooting down 5 Indian war planes in less than a minute remains unbeaten. The list of war events include Operation Dwarka, Battle of Chavinda, and many historic air encounters with Indian attacks. Flight Lieutenant Imtiaz Ahmed Bhatti and Squadron Leader Sarfaraz Ahmed Rafiqi, Air Marshal Malik Noor Khan, M.M. Alam, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, and many more are those great heroes who sacrificed their lives to save Pakistan. The courage of these heroes is beyond explanation. Today is a day to recall our brave soldiers and martyrs who will always be remembered and loved by every single Pakistani till their last breath. This day gives us an opportunity to relive our commitment and to be selfless and loyal to our country, to continue to defend its geographical boundaries and ideological frontiers. Today's Pakistan needs the same spirit of nationhood and unity to counter and defeat its enemies. May Allah give us courage to stay strong and united against our enemies. Ameen. I would conclude my speech with a salute to the defenders and martyrs of Pakistan who fought to protect the motherland and sacrificed their lives. Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.
Our national songs were a marked feature in the War of 1965, which played a vital role in warming the patriotic emotions among the whole nation. So the next item we have is a national song. Saman Amjad will now come for a melodious song. वतन की मट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना, वतन की मट्टी अजीम है तू, अजीम तर हम बना रहे हैं, गवाह रहना, वतन की मट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना, हर एक दिल में तेरी लगन है, तेरी ही जानिब हर एक नजर है, तेरी हिफाजत आज़्म लेकर हर एक अपने महाज पर है, गवाह रहना, वतन की मट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना, तेरी ज़मीं के ये चांद तारे हैं जिनकी आँखों में प्यार तेरा, सदाकतों के दिए जलाकर बढ़ा रहे हैं वकार तेरा, गवाह रहना, वतन की मट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना, वतन की मट्टी अजीम है तू, अजीम पर हम बना रहे हैं, गवाह रहना, वतन की मट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना। Now, I invite our worthy principal, Mrs. Humaira Suhail, to please come and express her views regarding today's importance.
Assalamu alaikum, students, and a very good morning to all of you. Today, as you know, that we have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day, which happens to be on the 6th of September every year, and we recall the memories of the day in 1965. What happened on that day, on 6th September 1965? How the soldiers of the soil, the heroes of this land, they defended the motherland, and how they protected the territorial jurisdiction of our country. This is the main ultimate objective of celebrating and remembering and recalling the sacrifices, the bravery, the valor of our beloved soldiers. On this day, we remember the heroic deeds of our armed forces who successfully repelled the Indian aggression, protecting our sovereignty and territorial integrity. Their valiant efforts will always be etched in our memory as a testament to their unwavering commitment to our nation. As we celebrate the Defense Day today, we must remember the importance of unity, resilience, and determination. We are using this word resilience again and again. I believe that you all understand what is the meaning of resilience. It's about once you fall in certain depression, you regain your strength and you come up even more energetic. And you fight back with more energy, with more passion. So we need to prove that we are a resilient nation. Our nation's history is filled with stories of heroism and sacrifices, and it is our responsibility to carry forward this legacy. My dear students, I urge you to take inspiration from the bravery and selflessness of the brave soldiers of our armed forces. Just as they protected our homeland, you too can make a difference in your own way. Stand up for what is right, work towards your goals with honesty and determination, and never give up on your dreams. So we must keep trying till the time we are able to achieve our dreams. Let us honor the memory of our martyrs by striving for excellence, upholding the values of discipline, hard work, and patriotism. We owe it to ourselves, our nation, and the future generations. So we need to be strong enough to take up these little bit of the challenges of the harshness of weather maybe, and we must gather enough strength, energy, and above all, determination to be able to fight it. Message I conclude, and I want all of you to be part of it. Pakistan!
Zindabad!
That's it. Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pak Army!
Zindabad!
Pak Armed Forces!
Zindabad!
Well done. May Allah bless you all. Thank you.